Yesterday, celebrating Sri Thakur's disappearance. At one time, Bhakti Thakur, for 9 years, he took a vow to chant 1 billion names. So 1 billion means 10 million, correct?
1,000 million. 1,000 million.
1,000 million. So that comes to how many names?
100 crore.
100 crore, correct. Because in the scriptures, and there are certain Puranas which say, if any human being has uttered 100 crore names, they will never be reborn again, this world. So we are chanting daily 25,000 names, 16 rounds. So in 4 days we are completing 1 lakh names. And in 1 year, if you take it as 400 days, 1 crore name. So for completing 100 crore, we need 100 years. So do we have 100 years? We have how many years? Only 60, 70 years. Plus, we didn't start chanting from our infancy. We came to Krishna consciousness 20 or 25. That means those 25 years are missed out also. Correct, no? So if somebody lives till 75, so 50 to 75, only 50 crore names we chant. Correct, no? So that is what Bhakti Thakur had given daily 64 rounds, which is 4 times this. That means if you chant 64 rounds, you will chant 4 crores every year. So from the age of 25 to 75, you chant 4 crores each year. Then?
200 crore.
And 50 years?
200 crore.
200 crore. Which means even if you chant 32 rounds also, it will be 100 crores. So, the idea is, Ekadashi days we chant more, and festival days we try to chant more. So, what is the significance of the quantity? Some people ask. What is the use of chanting too many names? If you are not attentive, mind is wandering everywhere. But if you see, when you chant more quantity, the mind is subdued by the holy name, and mind loses its mischievous nature. Mind loses its naughty nature of too much running hither and thither. So the mind is very tenacious in Rajoguna and Tamoguna. But when you chant more rounds, the mind becomes subdued. Just like a naughty monkey is jumping everywhere all around. But when you chant more quantity of names, the mind becomes subdued. And then the mind is likely to gradually listen to the holy name and gradually get purified. So just as quality has its glory, quantity also has its another type of glory also. So anybody who says, I am too lusty, I am too greedy, I am too angry, I am uncontrolled, don't ask me how bad I am, many people say. Instead of telling stories about yourself, utilize the time in chanting more quantity of holy name. There are people who talk 2 hours about themselves, but tell them to chant 1 round, they won't. What is the use? Therefore, we should talk less about ourselves and more about the glories of the Lord by chanting more quantity. Also, if somebody has a nature like being a chatterbox means one who is too talkative. Some people if they sit in the train, all through the journey they talk. One time I was sleeping in the berth. Whole night people were talking in the neighborhood berth. They cannot keep their mouth shut. For them, the best thing is to increase the quantity of chanting. Because more quantity they have to complete, then they will be forced to talk less. And any other useless talk, isn't it? Shrotavyadini Rajendra Nrinam Santi Sahasrashaha Apashyatam Atmatattvam Griheshu Grihamedinam. So people talk thousands of subject matters, useless subject matters. Then it's better that they increase the quantity of chanting. And the third advantage of chanting more rounds is less time for committing offenses. Because if we have a tendency to be fault-finding, turn around, look at different people and keep finding faults. If we are chanting more, then we interact less, unnecessary interactions go away. Then mind becomes subdued. And fourth advantage of chanting more quantity is mind withdraws from the material clutter. and it becomes more calm, cool, collected, and we can become more reflective, more introspective, more contemplative, and we can think more about the spiritual purpose of life. So, Srila Bhaktivedanta Thakur at one time had a desire to expand Krishna consciousness movement. So he decided, I will go to Srila Mayapur and sit in a cottage. And just like Haridas Thakur throughout the life chanted 3 lakh names. So like that, Haridas Thakur, Bhaktivedanta Thakur chanted, for 10 years. In the same manner, every day 3 lakh names he chanted. So, and also, when we chant more rounds, our offensive mentality gradually will go away. Because initially we commit a lot of offenses in the chanting. As quantity increases more and more, we become more humble. We realize how difficult it is to chant more rounds. Gradually we become subdued in our mindset, and passion will be driven out, will become purified. That is why Haridas Thakur told that prostitute, hear the holy name which I am chanting. So 3rd day she started saying, Oh Lord Hari, Oh Lord Hari, like that she started saying. She became influenced by Haridas Thakur's chanting. And then she went on to become a pure devotee in Benapol. So much so that she went on to become an acharya of the holy name, following in the footsteps of Haridas Thakur. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha anantakoti vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki